to say in the
YMCA. YMCA. We have everything for your man to enjoy. Good morning, Kentwood. Today is Friday, March 28th. I'm Hannah.
I'm Nusaiba.
And you're watching Conch TV.
Please rise for the Pledge of Allegiance.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Please sit.
What's cooking, Kentwood? Today we have barbecue pulled turkey sandwiches.
It's fun to stay at the YMCA. Okay. Seniors, your high school and beyond plan is due May 7th, 2025. And you can't go to prom if you don't get it turned in.
Get it in.
And also, we have a study session on April 1st from 3:30 to 5 p.m. Check your bulletin for more information.
Yeah.
Rock on! Scotty doesn't know. The Fiona and me too. Oh, you can't say that. Okay. Hannah, ooh, didn't mean to make you cry.
You need to get better. It's been 3
Tomorrow,
weeks.
carry on.
Do
So
you
get
love your
signed up.
culture?
Do you love your culture?
Do you want to represent your
Do
culture?
you want to represent? Do you want to stand up and fight for what you believe in?
Do you want to go out and dance and sing and do so much for your culture?
Then the Multicultural Assembly is just for you.
Sign up.
Sign up. There was an informational meeting 3 days ago. That was 3 days ago. But it's okay. So yeah, go sign up in your bulletin if you want to be a part of that. It's going to be super fun.
Yes, I'm
Yay.
excited to see everyone.
Hey guys, it's Hannah Sakai, and right now we're headed to the Harbor Island Studios field trip. I don't really know what I'm supposed to be yapping about right now, so you'll see some interviews and stuff. Yeah. Cue the montage.
If you could return, don't let it burn, don't let it fade. I'm sure I'm not being rude, but it's just your attitude. It's tearing me apart, it's ruining every day. I swore I would be true, and honey, so did you. So why were you holding her hand? Is that the way we stand? We're lying all the time. Was it just a game to you? But I mean so deep. You know I'm such a fool for you. You got me wrapped around your finger. Do you have to let it linger? Do you have to? Do you have to? Do you have to let it linger?
Let's go. This is one of their huge studios. This is Studio One. They have these padded things, so when you scream it doesn't echo the sound as much as it would if it wasn't padded. Now we're going to stage 2. This is another studio number 2, and we have some little scenery, if you can see that. They're filming something, but they have a whole bunch of props and such. Ready? Are you ready to let me cook?
Mr. Colonzo, Mr. Jones.
Mystery. How many of you guys have been here before? I have not.
Never. This is my first time.
What's your favorite part about this studio?
Making unbroken eye contact. They have free coffee.
Snacks. Those are all so real. Has your inner child come out by being here?
I'm still waiting. What was the question? I was distracted.
I have to go to the bathroom. Thank you so much for your time. Have an awesome day.
Wait. They don't love you like I love you. Anderson, did you come here last year? It's your first time?
Yep,
How are you liking it?
good.
What's your favorite part?
The foosball table.
Where?
Over there.
In Studio 2?
Dude, I'm way too good at this. I'm on. Anderson sucks. Nothing wrong with that.
Bullying is not good, Romy Chan. Note from cameraman.
Oh, yeah! Don't hit it too hard. Yeah, don't hit it hard. Ah.
Oh, period. Okay, thank you. Okay, bye. Guys, this place is sick. If you look up, there's no roof above my head. Okay, let's go to Studio 3. This is stage 3. This is the gigantic green screen that they have. Someone edit me standing next to like Chewbacca or something. Now this is cute. I like this, you know, like Fun Door. Honestly, kind of concludes the tour of Harbor Island Studios. If you want to experience this fun experience, come and join Conch TV. Yay! No, please, please, please. Ah! Oh my God, doctor, is he gonna be okay? Oh my God, my God, please.
Anna, what's your plan for spring break?
I'm actually going to Paris.
What?
For my grad trip. Oui, oui.
Oh.
Little je ne sais quoi.
Oh.
Bonjour.
Oh.
Hey, French teacher, how did I do? Did I do good?
A++ for effort.
A++ for real. So yeah, I'll be going to France and eating baguettes
Big.
and going to the Louvre and seeing the Eiffel Tower. Joke! I have a joke. Ready?
Okay.
What did the French guy say to the woman?
What?
I fell for you.
What?
I fell. What?
Anyways, spring break is
April 7th to the 11th.
11th.
What are you doing?
I'm staying home and hanging out with my cats and reading books.
That sounds super fun. You better get that English book done.
I'm not even in high
Shout out Mr. Lynch.
We love Mr. Lynch.
CHS English teacher.
We're gonna watch this.
I know, we're watching this.
No,
Hey,
we're
guys.
gonna get it done. We're gonna get it done. We're gonna get it done.
We are, I promise. We're just doing so good. Are you hyperventilating?
Are you interested in pursuing a career in the military? Well, testing is on March 31st in the library at 8 a.m. So be there. Don't miss it. And study. Make sure to study and do well. That's it for today, Kentwood. Let's make it a great day. It's great to be alive. It's great to be alive! Okay, we're done.
Yeah, we're done.
Goodbye!
Peace out.